Third problem, factorize the expressions using a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube identity. It is a cubic identity, isn't it? So here first subdivision is 64x cube plus 144x square plus 108x plus 27. So we are going to factorize this problem by using this identity, cubic identity. So here this can be written as 64. Here look at the first, when you are using identity, you can check the first and the last term of the expression. So here 64x cube. The 64 is a cube of 4. So 4x into 4x into 4x equal to 64x cube. So the 64x cube can be written as 4x the whole power 3. It's a cube number. Then 27, already you know. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. This can be written as 3 cube. So the given question can be written as 64x cube plus 144x square plus 108x plus 27 equal to, instead of 64x cube, you can write 4x the whole power 3 plus 144x square plus 108x plus this 27 can be written as 3 cube. So we are going to compare the identity a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube equal to a plus b the whole cube. Now we are going to compare the given question and the identity. So here a value is 4x, a value is 4x and b value is 3. So here a is 4x and b is 3. Then 4x the whole power 3 plus 144x square plus 108x plus 3 the whole cube. We are going to check the middle two terms. So this can be written as a cube, isn't it? So a cube means you can write 4x the whole power 3 plus 3 into a square into b. A square is 4x the whole square into b value is 3 plus 3 into a is 4x and b square, b is 3, so 3 square plus b cube. B cube is 3 cube. So the given question we have written by using the identity. So this can be directly, you can check 4x the whole power 3, 3a square. A square means that is 4x the whole square. 4x the whole square means it is 16x square. Now you can check the number. 3 3s are 9, 16 9s are 144. So 144x square we have got correctly. Then next is 3 into 4x is 12x into 3 square is 9. So 12 9s are 108. 12 9s are 108x plus 3 cube is 27. So this is satisfied this identity. So directly we can write a plus b the whole cube. So a value is 4x and the b value is 3 the whole cube. So this question can be written as 4x plus 3 the whole cube. Therefore answer factors of 64x cube plus 144x square plus 108x plus 27 equal to 4x plus 3 the whole power 3. This can be written as 4x plus 3 3 times. So 4x plus 3 into 4x plus 3 into 4x plus 3. Fourth problem, factorize by using a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube identity. Second subdivision, 8m cube minus 60m square n plus 150m n square minus 125n cube. Now look at the first and the last term because we are going to use the identity. So check the first and the last term. This 8m cube can be written as 2m into 2m into 2m. So directly we can be written as 2m the whole power 3. So 8m cube we can be written as 2m the whole power 3. The same 125n cube. So 125n cube is 5n into 5n into 5n. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this can be written as 5n the whole power 3. So first and the last term we can apply the identity. It's a cubic number. So this can be written as 8m cube minus 60m square n plus 150m n square minus 125n cube equal to 2m the whole power 3. Instead of 8m cube we have written 2m the whole power 3 minus 60m square n plus 150m n square minus 125n cube can be written as minus 5n the whole power 3. Now we are going to compare with that identity. So a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here instead of a we can write 2m. Instead of b we can write 5n. So here a is 2m and b is 5n. So 2m the whole power 3 minus 60m square n plus 150m n square minus 5n the whole cube equal to 2m the whole power 3 minus 3 into what is a? A is 2m. So a square. So 2m the whole square. And b is 5n. Then plus 3 into a is 2m and b is 5n the whole square minus 5n the whole cube. Now you can check 2m the whole cube is 8m cube, you know already. So here 2m the whole square, that is 4m square. 2m the whole square is 4m square into 5n into 3, isn't it? So 4 5s are 20, 23s are 6, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60 and 60m square n, 60m square n. Then 3 into 2m, that is 6m. When you are multiplying these two, you can get 6m. Then 5n the whole square, that is 5n into 5n, that is 25n square. 25 6 are 150 n square minus 5n the whole cube. So directly we can write a minus b the whole cube. So a is 2m minus b is 5n the whole power 3. Therefore, answer factors of 8m cube minus 60m square n plus 150m n square minus 125n cube equal to 2m minus 5n the whole cube. So it multiplied 3 times. So the factors are 2m minus 5n into 2m minus 5n into 2m minus 5n. Now let's start objective type questions. Fifth problem, factors of 9x square plus 6xy are. So we are going to find out the factors of 9x square plus 6xy. So we are going to factorize this. This 9x square can be expressed as 3 into 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and x square can be written as x into x. Then 6xy can be written as 3 into 2 x into y. Now we are going to take the common factor. So here 3 is common, then x is common. So you can take 3x as a common factor. So the remaining terms will be 3x plus 2y. Therefore, factors of 9x square plus 6xy are 3x, 3x plus 2y. Option D. Then sixth problem, factors of 4 minus m square are, we are going to find out. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, because a square means this 4 can be written as 2 square. So 4 can be written as 2 square minus m square. This is the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So here a value is 2 and b value is m. So we can apply 2 plus m and 2 minus m. Therefore, the factors are 2 plus m into 2 minus m. Option C. Then seventh problem, x plus 4 into x minus 5 are the factors of dash. So here factors are given, we are going to find out the expressions. So already we know how to multiply binomial into binomial. So we are going to multiply x into this expression and 4 into the next expression. So x into x minus 5 plus 4 into x minus 5. Now we are going to multiply x inside the bracket. So x into x is x square and x into 5 is minus 5x plus 4 into x is 4x and 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. Now we are going to compare these two. These two are like term and minus 5x plus 4x. So these two are different signs. So we can subtract 5 minus 4 is 1 and the greater number is minus. Therefore x square minus x minus 20. Therefore the expression is x square minus x minus 20. So correct option is D. Then eighth problem. Factors of x square minus 5x plus 6 are x minus 2 and x minus p. Then the value of p is what? So here one factor is given. So one more factor we are going to find out. So look at the last term. So it is in the form of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to x minus 2 into x minus p. So when you are multiplying last two numbers, you will get the product. So here 2 is given. So we can write 2 into p is 6. So p equal to 2 comes as division. So 6 by 2. So we can cancel. So p equal to 3. Therefore p value is 3. So correct option is B. Then ninth problem. The factors of 1 minus m cube. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is 1 and b value is m. So this can be written as 1 cube minus m cube equal to a minus b, that is 1 minus m into 1 square ab. So 1 into m is m plus b square, that is m square. Therefore factors are 1 minus m into 1 plus m square. So correct option is C. Then 10th problem, one factor of x cube plus y cube is dash. So here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here a is x and b is y. So we can apply x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Instead of a and b, we have x and y. So you can replace x and y in the formula. You can replace a and b. Instead of a and b, you can replace x and y. So one factor of x cube plus y cube is x plus y. So the correct option is B. Children, we have completed exercise 3.4. I hope you all have understood about factorization. So this is very interesting topic. So do the homework problem. Thank you, children.